I'm hooking up a charging station in my parents' garage. It's 7 feet from their panel, and it cost me $56 in parts. My number one concern was, can I use that bottom row to put another 2-pole breaker? So I moved my SAL breaker there, and I moved it to the bottom row, and it works. And I'm currently charging my car perfectly fine. So I should be able to install another 2-pole breaker right there. I can install another one there. So there's still 4 more spots in this panel, which is cool. So I mean, I can either put it here or I can put it there. It doesn't really matter. I'll count up what's being used and try and figure out what's used less and put it on the other side. But I'm the only one right now using the EVSE, and these two will never be used together at the same time. You know, I'm just going to keep this here so I don't have to take it out or anything. I'll just leave it alone. All right, cool. I want to put a strap inside the wall, but I don't want to break the sheetrock.
All right.
So I taped a screw to the end of this bit extension, and I was able to screw it in. Well, you have to drill behind this thing if you put in the wire from the wall. And here goes nothing. Hopefully I don't fuck it up. Well, I really can't hold this and the phone at the same time. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. There's the hole I just drilled. Here's the mounting hole. And the other mounting hole, which is down there, which is a royal pain in the ass to get to, I think. We'll see. Well, I have it connected. It's all connected. That's just laying up there. It's not screwed in yet. I'm going to flip the breaker and we're going to find out if there's fire or it works. Hey, look at this power present. Ready to charge. Holy shit. Zero emissions, Nissan.